All right, here we have week 21, day 2. Let's take a look. It says on August 5th, 2012, a space robot traveled to Mars for a important mission. Does that sound right when I read it? Let me try it again. On August 5th, 2012, a space robot traveled to Mars for a important mission. Ugh. It's hard to read it like that, right? What do we do? What do we do? We read, we edit, and then we write. All right. I've already read it twice. What's the first thing that's jumping out at you? Jack, your hands up. That's the hardest part of it, right? Before an important mission. That was the hardest part for me to do, to be honest. On August 5th, 2012, a space robot traveled to Mars for an important mission. All right, yeah. Do we see anything else? I've got someone right here in front of me. Rocco. It's not an apostrophe. It's a little simpler than an apostrophe. It's a what? Right here, right? That's a comma, right? Rock. On August 5th, 2012, a space robot traveled to Mars for an important mission. Do you think? Oh, I see one more thing. Boy, I didn't see it for the longest time. Bryn, it most certainly should. Don't you think Mars, the planet, would be very disappointed in you if you didn't capitalize its name? I think it would be. Hurt its feelings. A little bit. Right, Noah? All right, on August 5th, 2012, a space robot traveled to Mars for an important mission. Do you guys see anything else? I must have read that about 7 times. So I read it. We did the edits. Now the next thing we do is we write it out. Hold them up. Let me see how you guys did it. 1, 2, 3. 3 corrections. Let me see. Yeah, it looks good. All right. You would write now. You would write this out, making sure that you include all of the edits that you did. Now, here's the thing. Here's what some of you guys do. What you do is you'll include your edits, right? But then you'll forget to put like that comma in right there. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you get everything written in, right? For an important meeting. All right, here we go. Ready? The rover named Curiosity had cameras so that we could see what Mars looked like. Let me ask you this. We went over something yesterday. This is just an off the cuff question. That all by itself, I don't like highlighting that in purple because it makes you can't see it. So let me fix that real quick. Right here. Ready? That all by itself. Right there. Read that. Just what I have highlighted. Read it. Jack.
That we could see what Mars looked like.
Is that a complete sentence? All right. So if that's not a complete sentence, do you need a comma before the coordinating conjunction? No, you do not. So let's get rid of that comma, right? Let's get rid of that bad boy. The rover named Curiosity had cameras so that we could see what Mars looked like. What do we need to do there? We need something there. O'Brien. Yep. What else? Rhino.
Look needs to be looked.
Yep. The rover named Curiosity had cameras so that we could see what Mars looked like. I still see something, Brody. What do you see?
Mars needs to be capitalized.
Yeah, it does. The rover named Curiosity had cameras so that we could see what Mars looked like. I think that's it. How many corrections is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4 corrections there. Unless you guys see anything else. You see anything else? O'Brien, you got something else?
No, I'm just saying, that you can also do S instead of ID.
Sure, that would be fine. All right. Complete the bold word with the suffix that means the act of. All right. So when Curiosity landed on Mars, it was a great achievement, or achieval. Everyone, it's achievement, right? Yes. All right. Well, it says circle the proper noun. Proper nouns are usually capitalized, right? Write the abstract noun on the line. All right. So we watched with curiosity to see what curiosity would find there. So I think curiosity is the proper noun. What is the abstract noun? It's abstract. It's a thing, but you can't hold it, you can't touch it, you can't sniff it, you can't throw it against the wall. Kinsley, the other curiosity, yes. All right. Well, there you have it. We have week 21, day 2 in the books. Tadero out.